Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today, as I said in the last week's video like 300,000 times, I will be getting ready to go out. I actually have an event to attend and I am running about half an hour late. So I'm not going to be explaining what I'm doing. I'm simply going to do a get ready with me. It's not going to be a chatty one because I do not have time. I have already moisturized with my Aphrodita Cosmetics Olive Moisturizing Cream Antioxidant Care. I really like this one. I probably wouldn't recommend to wear it in the day, even though I do it every day, because I heard somewhere that antioxidant ingredients could cause skin irritations when the sunlight hits them. That's why this is supposed to be a night cream, or the cream that you would apply before bed, but I just really like it, so don't do as I do as I say. So I already applied the Art Deco eyeshadow base onto my eyes as well. What I forgot to do was to use the Maybelline Baby Skin. It's the clear, it's clear, I don't know what I'm going to do. It looks like this. I'm pretty sure you saw it. It's available in Superdrug, in Boots, probably everywhere. I'm gonna apply this today as well because I am actually making an effort to look good for once. So I never actually thought about this, but I think generally I have quite large pores on my face. I don't know why. Probably should have looked into it, but pretty much on the whole center of my face I can see the pores from here, for instance. Perfect. Also, because I am really pale, every time I touch my face it goes red. I don't know how well the camera is picking this up, but believe me when I tell you this. Okay, so for the eyeshadow palette, I will be going in with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills today, because the theme in which my friend is, now you have no idea what theme I'm talking about, of course, but basically I am going to a boxing match and it is for charity. So one of my friends is one of the contestants, and the boxing team is called Pink Gloves. So I think, what better palette to go with than the Modern Renaissance palette, and as well as the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. To be honest, I don't know yet what I'm doing, so didn't break. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing. I know that pink eyeshadow is no stranger on my channel. I don't know, whatever. I don't have time to explain myself. So I do apologize. It will be probably music playing in the background because I have to open the window. It's so freaking hot in here and it's quite noisy out there. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So yeah, guys, I hope that you will enjoy this transformation. There we are. And because I was in a rush, of course, I've forgotten to actually press record on the sound again. So I'm just gonna let you know that I will be inserting the pictures as always right now while I'm talking, probably before. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!